What factors does a federal criminal court consider in sentencing? If you're facing federal criminal charges, you need to know what type of a sentence may be imposed in order to make intelligent decisions about a plea agreement and other aspects of your case. Sentencing in federal criminal cases is a complex process that requires the sentencing judge to consider multiple factors in making his decision. Those factors are the nature and circumstances of the offense, the history and characteristics of the individual defendant, the kinds of sentences available, the sentence and sentencing range provided for in the federal sentencing guidelines, relevant policy statements issued by the Federal Sentencing Commission, the need to avoid unwarranted sentence disparities for similar crimes, the need to provide restitution to any victims, and whether the sentence imposed is sufficient but not greater than necessary to reflect the seriousness of the offense, to promote respect for the law, to provide just punishment for the offense, to deter future criminal conduct, to protect the public from further crimes by the defendant, and to provide the defendant with needed educational or vocational training, medical care, or other treatment in the most effective manner. When imposing a sentence, the judge must make an individual assessment of the facts of the case and all the factors listed above, and explain the reasons underlying his decision so that if one of the parties wants to challenge the sentence, it can be meaningfully reviewed on appeal. Ultimately, the goal in federal criminal court is to impose a sentence that is fair to both the defendant and the government.